Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming eligibility. Make sure your phone supports 5G and VoLTE LTE because the network requires device compatibility. Once done, open the My Jio app to confirm your plan and SIM status and verify Aadhaar/KYC are linked. This speeds eKYC. Then identify the nearest Jio retail or authorized center. You will need an in-person SIM swap. Act now. Gather ID, original SIM info, and your phone's IMEI so the agent can validate and start the replacement process immediately. At the store, you hand over ID and the original SIM information while giving the agent your phone's IMEI. This links the new 5G SIM to your number. The agent runs eKYC and provisions the 5G profile onto the replacement SIM, which takes a few minutes. Make sure the agent confirms provisioning and tests the line. They will check that the SIM is active and that the provisioning flags 5G access. Once they complete setup, you leave with the new 5G SIM installed. You finish by inserting the new SIM, enabling mobile data, and selecting 5G/NR in network settings. Some phones list 5G automatically after provisioning. Then restart the phone to apply carrier settings and confirm the network indicator shows 5G. Test a call and run a quick speed check to validate service. If it fails, make sure your device actually supports the required 5G bands, confirm IMEI registration with Jio, check APN settings, and reboot once more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.